5 класс. Английский язык. Спрашивая и предоставляя информацию о направлении и дороге. Домашнее задание. Страница 112. English. Spotlight 5. Asking for, giving directions. Homework. Page 112. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now, repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please, page number 112. English in use. Asking for, giving directions. We must do exercise number 1. Listen and repeat. Послушай и повтори. Excuse me, is there a fast food restaurant near here? Where exactly? Can you tell me where the cinema is? On my left. You can't miss it. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. The sentences in exercise number 1 are from the dialogues below. What are the dialogues about? Listen, read and check. Where does each person want to go? Find the places on the map. Предложение в упражнении 1 из диалогов. О чем эти диалоги? Куда хотят прийти говорящие? Найдите эти места на карте. Excuse me, is there fast food near here? Yes, there's one on Berry Street. Where exactly? On the corner of Eldon Road and Berry Street. Thanks a lot. Excuse me, can you tell me where the cinema is? Yes, sure. Go down Bath Street and turn right. Walk down Eldon Road. The cinema is on your left. On my left? Yes, it's opposite the toy shop. You can't miss it. Thank you. The dialogues are about asking for and giving directions. The person in dialogue number 1 wants to go to a fast food restaurant. The person in dialogue number 2 wants to go to the cinema. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Look at the map. Act out dialogues asking for, giving directions from. Посмотри на карту. Разыграй диалоги, спрашивая и указывая направление. The bakery to the newsagents. The bookshop to the cafe. The music shop to the chemist's. The toy shop to the square. The chemist's to the supermarket. Use the phrases in the box and the sentences in exercise number 1. Record yourselves. Where's the newsagents, please? Go down Eldon Road. It's on the corner of Eldon Road and Berry Street. Thank you. Excuse me, is there a cafe around here? Yes, there's on Eldon Road. Where exactly? On the corner of Eldon Road and Elmer Street. Go down Bath Street. Turn right. The cafe is on the corner of Eldon Road and Elmer Street. Thank you. Excuse me, can you tell me where the chemist is? Yes, sure. Go down Bath Street and turn right. Walk down Eldon Road to Berry Street. Turn right once again. The chemist is next to the fast food restaurant on your right. Thanks a lot. Excuse me, can you tell me where the square is? Yes, sure. Go up Eldon Road. The square is at the very end on your left. Thanks a lot. Excuse me, where's the supermarket, please? Go down Berry Street and then turn left. The supermarket is on the corner of Eldon Road and Elmer Street on your right. Thanks a lot. Exercise number 4. Pronunciations. K. Reading rules. CK. K. Clock. Park. Listen and repeat. Think of more words with the same letter combinations. Lock, dock, shock, leak, luck, duck. Послушай и повтори. Придумай еще слова с такими же комбинациями букв. Lock, dock, shock, leak, luck, duck. The answer. K. Pocket, rocket, packet, sock. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once,